Okay, now we have finished set up the Divi theme. We have also covered how some of the setting over the Divi theme option. And okay, in order to deploy a good template, first thing we do is to create a page. Go to page, all page, and add new. Once you reach a new page, this is the title, and then this is the blog content that we usually put in, right? So but what we going to do is click on this button, use Divi builder. So we go for it, use Divi builder, and you can click on this load layout. And there is a lot of pre-made template over here. You can just select any of it, or you can just search for it. Example, you are looking to create a cafe website. You can just put in a cafe, and there's a lot of cafe related template will be shown over here. And perhaps you can put in some business. Let's say if you plan to have a business website, you will have a lot of business related website from here, right? So take an example, if you are doing a marathon, you want to do some marathon related website. Okay, this is upon a request. Okay, example, we have a lot of marathon about us page, app page, and okay, we deploy a home page first. Right now, click on the home page, and then this is a way that we can see how the layout looks like, and we can click on this, use this layout, and it will take some time to load it out. Okay, let's go to another site before waiting it to be load. So you can go to this elegantthemes.com/layout. We have 159 layout, 1000 over total layout, meaning that each of the layout you will have about 4 to 5 different design. Example, service page, product page, contact us page, a landing page, home page, and also example like contact us or things like that. So you can choose it from here. There is also a category option for you to choose. You're not required to go into the blocks itself to click on the pre-made layout to find out all the details, but you can actually go to this elegantthemes.com/layout to check on it. Example, if you are doing to have an education, you click on education, it will give you a lot of education. Example, this one is elementary school design, or you can have a preschool design. Okay, let's say if you are doing some sort of kindergarten, you can click on this one. Okay, there is a lot of hit, like example, this layout we have about 7 layout from here. This is home page, and this you can click on landing. This is a landing page, and then you have about us page, you have a blog page, you have a daycare page, you have a pricing page. Example, some of the company, they will have to have a pricing to show how much they charge us from here. This you have a pricing page from here. So every single page have their own design. So this is how you deploy the page. Okay, let's go back to the page that we just now click on, the marathon page. Okay, the marathon page is here already. The page is already fully loaded. Remember just now you click on the load layout, right? So right now the layout is already loaded. So let's say we put it as a home page. We put it as a home page, and then we just click on publish. So you can just publish the page itself, and let's take a look on the main page how it looks like. So after you publish, the status is under publish right now, and you load it, you go into your home page, and the home page will load it this way, right? This is all the pre-made page has been loaded. So you have two options to do editing on the page itself, right? Okay, as you can see, this one, enable visual builder. This is the first way, is most simplest way to do editing. Take an example, I enable the visual builder. So the visual builder will be enabling it. You can immediately do any editing on the page itself. So take a look from this. We will, well, okay, example, right now we can edit on it. To be edit on it, you can just click on it. You can just click on it and you can just change it out. Example, Calvin Marathon event, right? 2020. Yeah, so you can just click on it. You can even change every single word from here, right? Sometimes when you change, it will have this button over here to help you to make some save. So let's wait it to be saved. It will take some time to save it. So okay, after you go now here, example, the register page, the register now button. So you can even change the button from here. Example, register now, we change the register later. Yeah, they changed already the word. You can just, your mouse just require to hold over the button and you can just click on the module setting. Click on the module setting, you can put register later, and over here you can actually put in the link, https example eventbrite.com / your register URL blah blah. Then you just click OK. So when people click on the link, it will bring you to the Eventbrite place, for example. Okay, over here, same to this one, full. I can change to fully. Half, I can change to halfway. I I can change anything I like. Even I don't like 5k, I put in 5,000. Is also fine, right? So after do all these changes, what do? Click on this button and you will see a save button over here. Click on save. You will save it already, right? This is the first way to do the editing using the visual builder. So what is the second method? Second method is go back to your back end. This is the page just now once we load, right? So all this is element over here. Example, just now I've done some editing on the title, so I have to go to this module setting button. Click on the module setting button and I can see that just now I already changed Calvin Marathon event 2021, right? So I can just change to 2021. I can just change my name to Doris. Example, Doris Marathon event 2021. I can click on save the button, then I update it as usual as we editing our blog. And once you done it, when you just make a preview on the page itself, it will show you a new page whereby already changed the word Doris Marathon event 2021. So it's pretty simple to identify all this section. Example, this is a section over here. This is section. We have a list of word over here, another list of word over here, and a button. So back to this place is like you have a title, you have a text, and you have a button, right? Again, we go back here. We have a title, we have a text over here, and we have a button. I believe in between here there is a divider. So this is the how the divider looks like. So scroll down. You will have this another section. Another section you will have a subtitle, title, and 3 block over here. So equivalent to this one, title, subtitle, and also the 3 block over here, fully, halfway, 5,000. Okay, let me take you into this. Same again, click on this 3-line module setting, this bulk. So again, just now I changed to 5,000. I 5k to 5,000 on the front end. So right now I don't want. I want to make it to 6,000. 6,000, right? So I can just save it. So this one, the first one just now I put it full to fully. Now I want to put it at a full marathon. Save it. So once you save it, once you update it, and you just require to refresh on the front end, you can see just now the fully become full marathon, then this one from 5,000 becomes 6,000. So you just have to adjust the length and the width itself. Let's say if you want it to be the one line of word, you don't want to be like one upper and one lower, you have to just adjust the wording to find a right related word to have to make it like one line. Or maybe you want to make it like everything sink into details, you can put a full marathon here, you can put a half marathon here, or 6,000 marathon, so that each of them will have a two line over here. So it's pretty simple, right, to make a design on this uh, Divi. So that's all for a guide to make a editing on the Divi template.